Introduction. Hello Dad, look there. Shama uncle is shifting his family and home articles to somewhere near. Dear Sam, they are shifting to their new home. Now Mr. Gupta will be in our neighborhood. Dad, what do you mean by neighborhood? Neighborhood includes all the places and people in our surroundings. Now let's go to some neighborhood places and learn more about them. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to know about neighborhood places such as school and college, market and post office, bank, hospital, fire station, police station, railway station and bus stand. Sam, we are human beings and we live in a society, and hence we need each other's help many a times. As you know that we need doctors when we fall ill. We need teachers to teach us. We need watchmen to keep our home safe. We get all this from our neighborhood. Son, now let's go outside and I will introduce you some of the neighborhood places. This is a school. Hey Dad, this is the same school I go every day. I love my school. I love to learn and to play with my friends in the school. Good. And now look that. That is a college. You know that when you will grow up, you will go to the college for further studies. Hey, look here. This is a market. Yes, yesterday we bought some toys and dresses from this market. We buy so many things from market. I remember Dad, you buy vegetables and fruits from the market as well. Yes, that's right. Let's move ahead. This is the post office. People drop the letters in the letter box from where they go to the post office. From the post office, the postman collects these letters and bring them to us. Now let's go ahead. Dad, what is this? This is a bank. We all keep our money safe inside a bank and we can take out our money at any time of need. Besides the money, we can also keep our important papers and jewelry in the bank. Son, this is a hospital. Here, doctors give treatments to people who are ill. You know, doctors are said to be after God as they save our lives, so we also call them God on earth. What is this building, Dad? This is a fire station. The people in the fire station help us when anything like building or a house catches fire. People also call them firefighters. Look, Dad, here is some policemen standing. What is this building? Oh, that's a police station. The police officers help people by maintaining the law and order in the city. They watch wrongdoers and put them in jail. Dad, I'm getting tired now. Shall we go back home? Okay, dear. Let's go to the railway station. This is the railway station and in front of it, that is the bus stand. People travel by trains or buses. Trains and buses join our city to various places. Summary. Let's summarize what we have learned so far. Neighborhood includes all the places and people in our surroundings. In school and colleges, we learn new and good things. We purchase different things from the market. People receive and send letters through post office. In hospitals, doctors provide medicines and treatment to patients. In banks, people deposit their money and jewelry to keep them safe. Firefighters and police officers help the people in need and save them. Buses and railways join distant places.